In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bullet color in Google Slides, a small but powerful way to make your presentations more visually appealing and easier to follow. Whether you're preparing a business report, a school project, or a creative slideshow, customizing bullet colors helps you emphasize key points and improve the overall flow of your design. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not automatically signed in, log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage where you can either open an existing presentation or start a brand new one. Click on Blank Presentation to begin from scratch, or select a template theme to save time and keep your slides visually consistent. Once your presentation is ready, locate the text box that contains the bullet points you'd like to change. If you haven't added one yet, click Insert Text box and type your list. Now, highlight the text that includes your bullet points. As soon as you select it, a formatting toolbar will appear above or near your text box. On this toolbar, look for the bulleted list icon, which resembles 3 vertical dots or small circles. If your selected text isn't already formatted as a bullet list, click the icon to apply it. With your bullets now in place, it's time to change their color. While the text is still selected, locate the text color icon on the same toolbar. It's shaped like an A with a color bar underneath. Click it to open a drop-down palette displaying a wide range of colors. From here, you can choose one of the preset colors, or for greater control, click on Custom to enter a specific hex color code. As soon as you select a new color, the bullet points will update instantly, reflecting your chosen hue. This simple visual adjustment can completely transform how your slide looks, helping you draw attention to important sections while keeping the layout clean and professional. For best results, maintain consistency throughout your slides. If you change bullet colors on one slide, apply the same color theme across others to create a uniform, polished presentation. It's also wise to consider contrast. Choose a bullet color that complements your background and text without overpowering them. Changing bullet colors might seem like a minor detail, but these small touches can elevate your design and keep your audience visually engaged. Once you've practiced this process a few times, it'll become second nature, allowing you to fine-tune your slides quickly and effectively. And that's it. You've just learned how to change bullet color in Google Slides using the 2025 interface. Experiment with different shades and styles until you find what fits your presentation best. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.